I got fire in my veins tonight, chasing dreams under neon light. The city calls, it's my rendezvous. I'll make the rules, no telling what I'll do. Heartbeats pound in a thunderstorm, breaking free from the quiet norm. Every step ignites my soul so bright. I'm alive and I'm claiming the night. I'm running wild, leaving trails in the sky, burning brighter, no limits I can't defy. Feel the rhythm, it's taking hold of my mind. A rebel spirit, I'm one of a kind. Stars are falling, but I stand tall, echoes singing through the urban sprawl, dancing fearless like I'll never fade, lighting up the mess this world has made. Oh, I'm a spark in a powder keg, no chains can hold